Today I'm taking a quick look at the OnePlus Turbo 6X in 2026. And the big question is simple. Is it actually worth your money? So first impressions, this phone feels fast. Like genuinely snappy in everyday use. Apps open quickly, scrolling is smooth, and multitasking doesn't really slow it down. OnePlus clearly focused on performance here, and you can feel it. The display is another highlight. It's bright, sharp, and honestly really nice for watching videos or just doom scrolling at night. Battery life? Pretty solid. I got through a full day with moderate to heavy use without stressing about a charger, which is always a win. Now, it's not perfect. The camera is good but not flagship level amazing. In low light especially, you'll notice it struggles a bit compared to pricier phones. So, is it worth it? If you want speed, smooth performance, and solid battery life without paying flagship prices, yeah, it's a strong pick. But if camera quality is your top priority, you might want to look elsewhere.